Bet you've never heard of this startup. It's called Alloy Automation. The tagline is the integration platform for e-commerce executives, engineers, and marketers. Let's take a look. So here's the website. Looks like the core use case is run a Shopify or other kind of commerce shop, and you have a trigger like the order is shipped. It hits an if-else condition, like if subscription is the 10th renewal, and then it takes an action, so stamp.io. So here's setup triggers, use logic to route flows and execute actions. Pretty simple 3 steps. Seems like it's really useful for people who may run a Shopify storefront but don't actually have staff for coding. Looks like it's trusted by favorite brands. I recognize Italic. I like them. Then there's pretty good explanation here. Here's how different team members can use automation to power their work. So executives, there's context for that. Marketers, separate context. Operators, engineers, agencies, managers, and lots of good explanations for each of those. So I really like what they're doing here. Start with recipes. So they actually have recipes for customer management, shipping and fulfillment, fraud, customer support, upselling, abandoned carts, rewards, store operations, tagging, product listings. Looks like they've actually got a pretty well built out set of recipes. You can probably just show up and drop it in right there. Let's take a look at the funding situation. Series A, 11 to 50 people. They've got $25 million total funding. Greg Mojica and Sarah Du are the founders, founded in 2019. So they've been operating for a few years by now. And it's backed by Andreessen Horowitz, Bain Capital Ventures, Y Combinator, and Group of Unicorn founders. So looks like a good one. Let me know what you think. Is this interesting? Do you run a shop? Do you think a service like this would be useful to you? Let me know in the comments.